Clear? This is 59%. And the rest 40% people, they are living in Wallonia region and they are speaking French. French language. And then you can see 59%, then 40%, 99% it is total, and the remaining 1% people, they are also there and they are using some another different languages. The remaining 1% of the Belgians speak German language. You can see here German language. So this is total population, that is 59%, 40% and 1%. That will be, when you will add it, you will get 100%, means total population. Total population. So this much is the correct data of different type of people using different language, living in different. 59% people, those who are using Dutch language, they are living in Flemish region and they are speaking Dutch language. 40%, the 40% people who are speaking French language, they are living in Wallonia. They are living in Wallonia region, and the 1% people of Belgium, they speak German language. The capital city of Belgium is Brussels. 80% people speak French, while 20% people are speaking the Dutch language. 80% people of capital city, the capital city is Brussels. So in Brussels, 80% people are speaking which language? French language. And the rest 20% people are speaking which language? Dutch language. So this is the detail about the Belgium, a small country, right? Now, the minority French speaking community was relatively rich and powerful. They were minor speaking French language, and this community was rich and very powerful. After that, when you will see it below in the second paragraph, when you will see here in the second paragraph, you will get another information important. What was the reason why the tension has taken place between these two communities? Okay. So the minority French speaking community was relatively rich and powerful. This was resented. This was felt by the Dutch speaking community, who got the benefit of economic development and education much later. So this lead to tensions between the Dutch speaking people and the French speaking people. So these two communities, they had now tension. Okay. In this video, this much only. Rest in my next video.